Wait, can we get a zoom in of
I think the clutch is
what the hell?
Uh-oh.
9:24. Deer opening day. It's the 10th, I believe. I think it's supposed to be like 70 degrees out, and I don't know why I'm wearing a winter hat.
Because we're confused because it snowed once already. I'm the same way.
Grant woke me up.
Grant here again. Doing some scrapping this morning.
No, we are scrapping this morning. You know, when I wake up, I can't function or talk for like 10 minutes in the morning. And then I'm fine. I had like a really weird dream last night though, and I still can't remember what the heck it was about. So that sucks. You just wanna remember, because you remember it's a good one. I don't know, I'm still kind of out of it. Bunch of rotors. You guys, look at this pile of rotors. I'm gonna show you this. What are they gonna do with all those? Something crazy, I hope. We're at the scrap yard. This is where Grant comes about every weekend. We're gonna put my Cummins to work today because I did get some license plates for it. So that'll be fun. Finally get to drive my vehicle legally.
Grant here again. About to take the second load in. Got Erika's truck here, a good old 12 valve. Got my dually back there. Thing's pretty sweet. See if she'll give her a little pipe. Oh yeah. Erika here, grabbing gears. To the scrapyard we go.
Scrapping. Grant says the truck is too loud, so he has to walk through the bank. What a weirdo. I wonder what he's looking at. Snowmobiles.
We're gonna put some attachments on. Give her a little gas. There's that lever over there. Oh yeah. Turn your rear lights on. There you go. No, like angle it to the right. Other way. There you go. Alright, come slowly up to the attachment. Once you touch it, go forward while going in. And start to curl it. Keep going forward. There you go. Now curl up. Yep. Curl up. There you go. You go all the way back. Whoa! Alright, now you gotta lock it in.
Where's the lock?
It's the button you see right up right by the key. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, push that up. You gotta slide the lock up. Hold that up like it was. See how it changes sound? See how it locked in now?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're good. Alright. Be careful of the old Kodiak. You got some 9-footers on there now, eh? That triple. Jeez. Watch out for her. Dangerous lady. Coming through. That's good. Now lift up on it to pull it out. Alright, you got it up off the ground a little bit. Now just go back. There we go. Like a professional. Oh yeah. Keep going. Woo. Keep going back. Lift up a little bit. Yeah, go back more. All right, drop it down. Why so far back? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Whoa. That's good. That's good. Lift him up a little bit. There you go. Whoa.
This is what it normally looks like at our house when we open the barn door.
Grant here.
Then we smell like snowmobiles. Grant here! Hi, Grant.
Oh, good old barn find, greasy triple in the backyard. Gonna get her going.
It's burning a little belt.
Oh, the clutch is not back shifting at all.
Yeah, the clutch is a little rusty, so we're gonna clean that up.
Nah, I don't. I have a different clutch.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Where?
I have my other triple.
Oh, well, that one runs still.
It doesn't have a hood.
Oh yeah, true.
This one's more trail friendly.
Yeah.
Seat got a little swelled up.
Yeah, needs a little clean.
That'll happen. I think should be a good unit.
Yeah, I think this will be pretty nice for the trails. Nice.
Grant here.
Yeah. You're gonna take this clutch off or what?
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, you're just looking at it?
I kind of want to wash it.
Let's watch it.
Dusty.
Is my flash on?
Yes.
Oh. Your eyeballs are sparkling.
Okay.
Okay.
Pulled this one out the old back 40. Another unit. Might as well get her going.
Did I miss anything?
Yeah, a little bit of bird poop still on it.
That belt burnt up.
Stinky winky. Alright, Bayley's installs.
Yo.
You got a new hood for the 440. One that's not all duct tape. You can see through the windshield because he's so short. He needs a clear windshield.
Wow. Wow, we went there, didn't we?
This one was not doing it for him. So he's gonna do a little install for you guys. Currently loosening up those bolts to get the hood off.
Fresh hood.
She done.
See if that light works.
Where's that switch at?
I mean, turn the sled on. About to repair the cooler cart. It's got a wheel missing. Thanks to Matt. Broke it. Alright. Go and get her welded up now.